Hi guys, this is Ben. I'm going to be talking to you today about how to use hovers or compact layouts. To demonstrate what a hover is, I'm going to come over here to Contacts, and I'm going to click on Rose Gonzalez. And you can see here she's got a case associated with her contact. So if I hover over this, you can see the subject of the contact, the priority status, and case number. But what if we wanted to see a little bit more to make it more useful for our users when they're hovering over these cases or whatever other object and they want to see more specific and more useful information? So let's go to Setup, and we're going to go to Object Manager. And since this hover was for cases, we're going to click on Case. And we're going to go to Compact Layouts. Okay, the system default one is the one we were seeing. We're just going to clone that one. And we'll see here that it has a few selected fields already. I'm going to name this. Okay, what if we wanted to add in here account name also? So now, when we hover over it, we'll see the subject, priority status, case number, and account name. I believe the first field in the selected fields list will be the field that shows at the top, like the title. And then you have a maximum of 4 following fields after that. So 5 fields total, and then 4 supporting fields there. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to change the compact layout assignment. So it was assigned to the system default before. We're going to change it to the custom one, which we just made. And I'm going to save it. And one more time, just be safe. Okay, so that's all done. And let's refresh this. And now, when we hover over cases, alrighty, we have our title, which is our subject, our priority, status, case number, and account name for this case. What if we want to see some more useful information though? Let's click on the case number. So when you hover over something, you, at least for cases, you can see by default the description and also the latest update from the feed, but only if those fields are populated. So as you can see, the description is not populated. I'm going to put something in here. Save that, and then over here, we don't have any updates right now for this case, so I'm going to add a case, or add an update to this case. Share that, so now you can see there's a text post there. And now let's go back to Rose's contact. And so now on Rose's contact, when I hover over this case, we can see the fields that we added in here, a description for that case, and the latest update. And that is how you use hovers for cases.